All right, guys, today we are going to be putting a new exhaust on this bike right here. Okay, and what we're going to be putting on there is this. When I bought the bike, the previous owner had this and gave this to me. It's a nice little 2-in-1. What we're going to do, I'm sure people are going to say, is blasphemy, because this is a really nice 2-in-1, but I didn't pay for it. I didn't spend any money on it, and quite frankly, I like my Harleys to have no mufflers on them. I like them to be loud. I don't care. I want them to be loud. So what we're gonna do is just run this as a head pipe. I'm gonna chop it off right here. So we're gonna get rid of this muffler, and then that is probably gonna come about right here. So what we have on here now are these, I think they're called L.A.F, loud as F, pipes on here. I mean, yeah, they're loud, they're cool, they get the job done, but one thing I really don't like about them is when you take a corner, this rubs, this scrapes, and then when you put your foot down, like at a stoplight or something, your foot is right here. And so the exhaust is blowing right on your leg. And I don't like that. It's hot. If you're running a little rich, you get like fumes and crap on your pants. So these were cool. They were cheap. They're loud, but I think it's time to take them off.
Two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like fresh brush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, catch some pillows in the Chevy. Hey, hey, slide a dolly, low hitting heavy. Hey, take your time, let me know when you're ready. Hey, hey, couple months I've been messing with this steady. Tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, you love party, come on, move around like first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Slide or die, laying low, hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with the steady. Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me life to find, I long for your company. Oh girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Yeah, yeah, it won't be over till the fat lady sings. I owe you a trip, cause me and you, we got a thing. My sunshine state, hair curly like a string. Just a big ol' ooh, smile, that's about all you gotta bring. So enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Slide or die, laying low, hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with you steady. Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me life to find, I long for your company. Oh girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Самолет несет меня, будто в кулаке зажав великан. В иллюминаторе земля. Самолет несет меня, большой стальной великан. В иллюминаторе земля. Open for plans tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me life to find, I long for your company. Oh girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology.
All right, guys, got it all installed. Let's see how it sounds. Probably won't start unless the ignition's on. Yep.